When I say bananas, you say peppers. And today we are going to be doing a mystery unbagging, let's say, because these little things are in bags today versus boxes. And I had no idea that these are super old. These things are older than 10 years old. I didn't even tell you what they are. These are gonna be realistic food miniature keychains. They're from one of my favorite brands, which I'm sure you guys are really familiar with because we've unboxed several different series on this channel from this brand. It's called Remint, and they are the company that makes the super realistic, teeny tiny miniatures. I think the last Remint unboxing we did on this channel, it was meant to be like an 80s living room, and it was all miniature items. We got like a teeny tiny little television and I think like a steam cooker or something. It was very, very cute. Looks like it's mostly gonna be desserts. Now I'm seeing there's like a cheeseburger. It's like a comedic representation of a hamburger. There is like a little sample one because this is a whole store display that we have going for us today. This looks like a delicious fruit topped ice cream sundae of some kind. But I was looking down on the bottom and I saw it's copyright 2009, which I know 2009 is not that long ago, but it seems like a very long time ago. So I'm not sure if there's more than 12 in here. That's usually how Remint unboxings go, is you buy, like for instance, we're gonna be doing these pretty soon, but this is like a whole case and you know that you're gonna get this entire set. I think that this is meant to be like a Japanese convenience store. You buy this case of 8 and then you know that you're gonna get all 8 in there. Now, when I open up this thing, you guys, it looks like there's more than 12 envelopes in here. So I have no idea. I have no idea what to expect, but I'm excited. Give a shout out because I got these from Squishy Noodle on Instagram, and she usually has a lot of super rare keychains and squishies. A lot of times they'll be vintage items. It's really cool. So if you like stuff like this, be sure and check her out. So before we get into the unboxing, it's that time of the video, you guys, when I ask you guys / remind you guys to hit the subscribe button down below, become a member of the Banana Peppers squad today. And also when you do hit that subscribe button, make sure you also hit the notification bell and then select all. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video to this channel. Also, shameless self promo, follow me on TikTok if you're over there. It's at Graveyard Girl, and let's get started. All right, you guys, first one, let's open it up. And there is a little like paper. This kind of reminds me of, I think they are the Pop minifigures. When they have blind bag keychains, I think they do a similar wrapping style where they put like a piece of paper, a thicker piece of cardboard all around it so that you can't just like try and feel in the bag and be like, ooh, which one is this one? So let's open it up. And oh my gosh, this was like so shocking to me because I was like, what is this? But I forgot Remint always gives out one teeny tiny little piece of gum in each miniature package, which can you imagine? Just a delicious 11-year-old, 12-year-old piece of gum. So let's unroll it. And what do we have? Oh, okay, first of all, we do have like a little checklist. Very cute. And here is our keychain. Looks like it's an ice cream. I'm trying to open it up. How many flavors is this? This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different scoops plus sprinkles, and we have a little spoon right there in the side. This is like coming through on camera, but they do just look like so detailed and realistic. You know what I mean? So, pouch number 2. Let's see what's gonna be in here besides the delicious 12-year-old gum. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the same one that we saw already. That's like just dangling off the front there. We'll get to see a more up close look at that. And oh My gosh, you guys, look at all these toppings. It looks like we have Pocky, and this looks like it's a slice of melon and strawberries. I don't know. Oh, banana slices, it looks like. Wafer cookies. And then so many different stacks of ice cream. I'm not sure what that fruit is meant to be, like mango, but it sure does look delicious. And I always love when these little like figures, these little miniatures have this little like clear section. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I don't know what about it does it for me, but it does it for me. Okay, let's open this one. It looks like we have another dessert, another ice cream. Ooh, yeah, this ice cream is a little bit cuter to me because it looks like this one is actually like scoops of ice cream. I have a spoon, but see, that's kind of like what I was trying to describe with the hamburger as well, is I feel like the foods are like super realistic, yet they are like comedically stacked up. Next, let's see. It is, oh my gosh, this one looked so, oh my gosh. Okay, it's even more amazing in person than the picture, but this one was one I was so excited to see. It is a stack of pancakes. And you guys, how many pancakes are even there? That's like a dozen pancakes. Look at the syrup and butter just dripping off the pancakes. Once again, we have that nice translucent detail. Oh my gosh. It looks just so realistic, so tasty. I love it. All right, bag number 5. I feel like these little bags open up so quick. Oh my gosh. Okay. And, oh, I just dropped it. Oh, it looks like we have another. Oh my gosh. Okay, I thought this was going to be an ice cream, but I think that it is a pudding instead. So maybe this is a vanilla pudding with a chocolate and whipped cream topping and a cherry on top. And I think that this is like some of those chocolate, you know, those like round chocolate wafer cookies. That's what those look like to me. I love those so much. I think they have a specific brand name that starts with a P, but for the life of me, I cannot remember what that is called. Next, is this gonna be number 6? Oh my gosh, this one feels like almost flat compared to the other ones. Oh, we have another ice cream cone. This one looks pretty plain, but maybe it's your favorite flavors. It looks like we have strawberry and vanilla with chocolate sprinkles and then a red spoon in there. I actually really like strawberry ice cream, but my favorite ice cream of all time is Ben & Jerry's Cherry Garcia. I just love chocolate covered cherries. That's like one of my favorite candies. So that is definitely one of my favorite ice cream flavors as well. I feel like I'll just eat like chocolate covered cherries in any setting, like milkshake, candy. What is next? What is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, so there did look like there was a couple of dishes on here that I don't 100% know what they are. So it looks delicious, whatever it is. It looks like it's topped with an egg. And I'm trying to see if that is like shrimp or tomatoes. It looks like there's lettuce. And it comes with like this little miniature shovel. If you guys know what this dish is, please let me know. It looks tasty. It's on this black platter. But yeah, I don't know what that is. I wish they told. Oh, you know what? Maybe I can like look on the chart. Oh, nope. Unfortunately, everything is still written in Japanese there as well. So it's just the little pictures. Nothing that's going to help me out there. All right, up next. Is it going to be something else that I think maybe, isn't there such a thing as a rice pudding? I feel like I've had that before. I feel like it's very delicious, but I'm assuming that that's what this is, or maybe it is just meant to be like a big tasty bowl of rice. The bowl is really cute. It's like striped, and that almost looks like, I don't know, some kind of garnish on top. Like, you know, I mean, the other thing I guess this could be, Although it does really appear to be the texture of rice, but I was thinking maybe this could also just be like a coconut like snow cone or something, and that's a cherry on top. But the topping looks kind of dried, like maybe it's a tomato or something. There had to only be 12 in here, or maybe less than 12. Oh my gosh, I can't count. Let's see, what did we get next? Okay, so this looks like another non-dessert dish. So let's see. This almost looks like it's a type of noodle with a bunch of different toppings. So we have eggs, and this looks like seaweed pieces, and this looks like maybe some kind of meat, and some kind of fried, and I don't know what that is. And that looks like maybe chopped green onion with rice on top. So maybe like a rice and noodle dish. Either way, it looks very tasty. 3 left, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's take a sippy break. I am so thirsty. And let's see what we got here. Ooh, what is this? Oh my gosh, is this like a steak or something? I didn't even see this on the box. I must have just overlooked it. I have to admit, I was like pretty heavily concentrated on the dessert options. So this looks like a platter of steak. It looks like we have 3 pieces of steak and then vegetables over here. It looks like carrots, corn, and broccoli. And this looks like it would be like a nice sizzling hot dish. That looks like such real like wood grain on the bottom. That's what I'm saying, Unopened, you guys. They are just so realistic with these. I mean, it really looks like meat covered in sauce. It looks tasty. All right, 2 more. Wait, okay, I have to count them. Yeah, okay, so 12. So we are gonna see them all. Okay, up next, I'm waiting to see that hamburger, you guys. Oh my gosh, what is this? Ooh, this is like shrimp tempura. I'm so excited for that. Oh my God, that's like one of my favorite things to eat. You guys, I'm missing my favorite restaurant this year, which is Tokyo Bowl. Oh my God, I miss them so much. They have the most delicious Japanese food, and I am sad. But look at these tasty, delicious bowl of shrimp tempura. Oh my gosh. And it honestly looks like there's some pieces of vegetable tempura in there as well. Like that kind of looks like an eggplant to me. So good. So good. I wish I had some right now. Okay, you guys, if we're gonna get them all, that must mean this last one is the big, tasty cheeseburger. And I am not disappointed. That is what this is. And I love this so much because I feel like with all my like squishy collecting over the years that I have been steadily collecting like these realistic cheeseburger hamburger items. Like I have several realistic squishy cheeseburgers and hamburgers, like little teeny tiny ones. And actually, I think it was, yeah, the brand was Cutie Creative. Oh my God, look at even the little sesame seeds. Yeah, I think the brand was Cutie Creative, and that was the first squishy that I ever got. It was so realistic. It even had like little sesame seeds on the top of the squishy bun. And I remember that just blew my mind when I saw it for the first time, like a squishy with like sesame seeds on top. I don't know, but I do love this because it looks like it has 1, 2, 3 buns, 2 patties, bacon, 3 slices of tomato, 2 slices of cheese, tons of pickles, tons of lettuce. This looks very tasty. This is like a very tasty burger if you're into burgers. But yeah, I mean, God, I even feel like the bun just looks, it looks so real, you guys. Oh my gosh. So that is it for today. I do always feel like the bag ones just go by so fast. We just go through them so fast, but they are so much fun to open. And you'll have to let me know, do you like Unopened better than some of the other unboxings that we do because they are so detailed and so realistic? I absolutely love these. And I feel like more and more they're getting into the like characters as well. Like Rement does a ton of like Gudetama ones, Sailor Moon. I wish that they would do a Rement like Studio Ghibli. That would be amazing. I know they've done Rilakkuma, and another one that they do all the time, which I can never pronounce this, but I do love these little characters. They're called Sumiko Garashi, I believe, but there's like little dinosaurs and little, all kinds of little things. They're so cute, so cute. But anyway, you guys, thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. And until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I will be back again very, very soon. Bye.